see Tina? Y'all see Tina? Hold on, let me. That's Tina, y'all. But good morning. I am waiting for my test to open up for class. And once I do my test and finish it, I do need to run to the store and grab a couple things. So class is from 8 a.m. to I don't know why I'm not focused. Class is from 8 a.m. until 5:19. So it's probably gonna take me like 15, maybe 20 minutes to do my test because of the amount of questions. And I asked my cousins and one of our friends to come today so that when we go back from lunch, I can have services to do and not be working on mannequins, because that's not what I'm wanting to do today. But yeah, so waiting for the test to open up. Gonna take my test. It opens at 11. It's 10:54, so I got about 6 minutes. And yeah, those are my plans for today. And I kind of want to do a mukbang later, so that's probably gonna be on this video too. I'm gonna go get me some stuff and we're gonna discuss some things. And then I realized this morning, so I got on the scale this morning and I came in at 210.6, and my original weight, I was 237 in July, or was that June or July? When I weighed myself, I was 237. So I've lost a total of 27 pounds since in the last 6 months. And honestly, like in the last couple months, I haven't really been doing a lot of exercising. I haven't been doing a lot of like healthy eating like I was doing. But my weight on the scale this morning definitely motivated me to get back on it. So I'm sorry, y'all. My you ever feel like something just in your throat? So I'm going to be meal prepping because I definitely want to get back on a schedule and a routine with that. And I definitely want to start working out again. And I realized working out for me, I have to do it in the mornings. I can't work out. Listen, after 10 o'clock, it's not happening. And that's just facts about it. It's not happening after 10. So I'm going to start getting back up early like I was, doing my fasted cardio and working out. And y'all, I'm gonna do a whole video on like my weight loss journey. It'll probably be up this week with Vlogmas. Because listen, like I've come a very long way, and I'm very, very proud of myself because I had gotten it for my height. I had gotten big, and what bothers me is my doctor never said anything about it. Like, and I go to the doctor quite frequently. So yeah, we're gonna discuss that in the video. I'm definitely gonna record that for y'all. But yeah, just getting ready for my test. I'll come talk to y'all in a bit. All right, guys, so I passed my final. Yay! Passed my final. I am on my way to Walmart and Sally's because I need to get another pedicure tub because I have 2 pedicure clients, and I kind of want to just do them at the same time. Am I focused or no? I kind of want to do them at the same time. Yeah. But yeah, I have 2 pedicure clients. I am doing, I should have turned my wax on, y'all. It is what it is. I turn it on when I get back. But yeah, so I'm going to get a new pedicure tub because I have one, but I feel like it'll be easier if I can have both of them soaking at the same time and, like, you know, multitasking. or even if like I do them separately, I can I really wish I could set my camera up on this dashboard too. But even if I do them separately, I can, you know, have the other tub circulating the clean while I'm using the clean tub, if that makes sense how I said it. But yeah, I need to do that. And then there was something else I need to get. Oh, I wanted to go on Sally's and see, and I might can find them in Walmart, but I want to go on Sally's first to see if I can find, I need more spatulas and bowls for my facials, because I'm doing that today as well. And yeah, I am on my lunch break from class, because after we took our test, we were supposed to take our lunch break. So I'm going to run over here and do this real quick and come back. Hopefully, by the time I come back, my mom will be back, because I want to go ahead and put those turkey wings in the crock pot, and do my potatoes and stuff. So when I'm done with class, I can just eat. But I might grab me something to eat too from over here. We'll see. But yeah, I just want to come back and tell y'all what I was doing currently. I will talk to y'all in a bit. Alright, y'all, so I am waiting on my cousin to show up so we can do so I can do a service for class. I don't even know what time it is. It's 3:22. So I got like an hour and a half left of Saturday class, y'all. When I tell y'all I'm so excited that Saturday classes are over, because I wasn't making it. Like, I'm legit not making it. I literally go all week long. And then, you know, the one day that you're supposed to actually rest, I'm not resting. I'm still going. So, yeah, I told them that we probably only have like, because I think she wants us to be finished at 4:30, 4:45, and it's pretty much 3:30. So, like, that gives us an hour. So, I don't know what we're going to do in this hour, but we're going to do something, because I'm class in at 5:19, and I plan to be done with everything at 5:19. So, I don't know. I got my wax plugged up. My what is it called? Pedicure tub. I just cleaned it. My tub does have a jet in it, so if your tub is jetted, you are supposed to run it for 10 minutes with a disinfectant. You're supposed to run it for 10 minutes with a disinfectant. And they're supposed to do that at the salons too. So I don't know if they do it, but they're supposed to run it for 10 minutes with a disinfectant, and they're supposed to they're supposed to write that down every time they do it. But hey, you know, they don't check them like they check everybody else, so it don't even matter. That's why half the time I do my own pedicure. It's rare that I'll go get a pedicure, but like when I do go, I go. But yeah, this is what I did while I was waiting. I went ahead and did a mannequin. Let me show y'all her real quick. This Miss Tina, who was wrapped up behind me earlier. But I went ahead and combed her down. This is her little bang. And you can kind of see, I don't know if y'all can see it, but she does have layers. Oh, there they are. She has layers. But yeah, I cut her up pretty good for me to not be so confident in my cutting. But yeah, look at those layers, y'all. Look at that feather. That nice feather. Oh, they here, y'all. I'm gonna teach her to be right there. So I can go grab them.
always know when I'm here. He do.
Yeah, he does this to you every time. Alright, y'all, I finished my last Saturday of class and I am more than excited. Yeah, finished. You want to be on camera? She be hiding, y'all. But yeah, I finished finally. No more Saturday school, thank God, because I wasn't making it. I wasn't making it at all. But yeah, I'm about to go get some food. Oh yeah, we need another one of them right now. I was gonna say, yeah, that's what I've been doing. All right, y'all, so this is my last little clip for the night, but this is my dinner. I went to this place called J&C, and I got black mussels, snow crabs, red potatoes, corn, and then my parents brought me some jerk wings home from Bahama Breeze, so about to eat good. But I will see y'all tomorrow.